What just happened? What is this gaggle of kitties? Umeko wants to be included, but the girls don't want to wrestle. They only want to wrestle with each other. Oh no. Yeah. You don't want to get squished by my son? No. Umeko. Oh. Are you gonna play with him or are you gonna just smack him? He likes you. I know. You're so confused. You're not in a room with all the cats who want to play with you. You got some stinkers. What are you kicking me for, sir? Oh, no, do you want to play? Do you not? No biting me. Hi. Oh no, he doesn't want to play with you. What is that face? Umeko. Hey. Ow. No. No. I'll pet Hermes now, because Hermes is nice. He doesn't try to maul me. You're so sleepy, but you want to play? I get that. That's a mood. Yeah, he's being more gentle now. He's got to learn. Do you love her? Do you want to be friends? Yeah. Look at this. Hi, Hermes. Oh. That is the happiest little face. You're so funny.